Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add links to your YouTube channel. So I'm currently here on my YouTube, YouTube, and then I'm going to head over to my YouTube channel, which I can go by clicking on sorry, your channel. And then if you go customize, I think you should be able to see the links that are present in your YouTube channel. For instance, once you get there to your customize, you can head over here to basic info, and you'll see here links that you can add. Wait, let me check if this was really, yeah, this was customized channel. If not, you can also head over to the YouTube studio that you see over here. Yeah, that one right there. Alright, so yeah, you just head over to basic info, and then yeah, you can find the links here, and then you can just set whatever like you need to maybe your Gmail, which is pretty stupid. You don't need to write down a link for your email. Yeah, that is how you add, and then once you do, you'll be able to see it in your like about, or like here on the homepage of your channel. If you click on these, like, you know, 3 more links, I think it's like they updated it. And yeah, you'll see down here the channels that everyone can access. You can just click on it and then they'll send people to that link. And that is how you can add links to your YouTube channel. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.